Name change in Arizona. If you would like to change your name in Arizona, you are on the right place. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Arizona. Whether it is a child name change or adult name change, or you want your last name change after marriage in Arizona, you may bring a legally name change proceeding in any county in the Arizona state. The name change information brought to you by legallynamechange.com. To prepare your documents, please click on link on the above I button. Name change cost. First, let's talk about the cost to file a name change in Arizona. You may file your name change in the Superior Court of Arizona. The procedure cost for getting that order of name change in Arizona depends on the county where you live, and the cost will range from $250 to $350. Forms required for a name change process in Arizona. There are some name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally. Forms to make an adult name change petition in Arizona, or a minor name change petition in Arizona. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the Clerk of Arizona courthouse near your location. The required forms for Arizona name change process are: 1. Application for change of name for an adult, CVNC 11F. 2. Application for change of name for a minor child, CVNC M11F. 3. Consent of minor to name change, CVNC 13F. 4. Parental waiver of notice, CVNC 15F. 5. Civil cover sheet. 6. Notice of hearing regarding application for change of name, CVNC 18F. 7. Consent of parent to name change of a minor child and waiver of notice, CVNC 17F. 8. Order changing name, CVNC 81F. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your Superior Court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Other documents required for name change in Arizona. If you were born in Arizona state, you need to bring either an original or certified copy of your birth certificate. If you were not born in Arizona state, you need to bring proof of your birth, photo ID, if available, Social Security number, birth certificate. Marriage name change in Arizona. Before you can change your name, you will need your certified marriage license with the raised seal and your new last name. If you don't have it, contact the clerk's office where your license was filed. Name change after divorce in Arizona. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume use of a prior name. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for the publication in a newspaper. Filing a legal name change in Arizona. Take all completed papers and filing fee to the county clerk's office, county where you live, where a case number will be assigned. After filing your application, the clerk will complete the notice of hearing regarding application for change of name to show the date, depending on your method of service, time, and place of your hearing. You must request copies of this form. Notify any interested party. You must notify the other parent of the minor child about your request for a name change and the scheduled hearing. Give other parent of minor a stamped copy of your application, and the notice of hearing regarding application for change of name that shows the date, time, and place of your hearing. Then, have him complete the form entitled, Consent of Parent to Name Change of a Minor Child and Waiver of Notice, and have it notarized. That document serves as your proof of notice. Bring the signed and notarized consent of parent to name change of a minor child and waiver of notice to the hearing. Attend hearing. On the allotted date and time of your hearing, if required, appear before the judge to answer any questions they might have concerning the name change petition. Bring 2 copies of order changing name along with other forms. If no objections have been filed to your petition, the court may grant your decree without requiring a hearing. The judge will sign an order for the name change. You will be given a copy of the order, and can use this as proof for legal name changed. The other documents required at the hearing are: 2 copies of order changing name, photo identification for the persons who requests the change of name, Certified copy of child's birth certificate, parent's certified copy of birth certificate. A clerk stamped copy of all filed documents. Proof of notice of hearing regarding application for change of name. Consent of parent to name change of a minor child and waiver of notice. Notarized consent from the other parent or proof that the other parent was served with notice of the application and the notice of hearing. If the judge grants the name changes, the order changing name will be signed, and you will be directed to the customer service counter to receive a conformed copy of the order. Get many certified copies of the decree after your hearing for changing your name and social security number, birth certificate, and other important documents. You may hire the professional staff of legallynamechange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.